Hi, good morning everyone. This is Teacher Jeka and we're here today to discuss about the greatest common factor. Alright, so before we proceed, let's have first the definition of the greatest common factor or what we call the GCF. Always remember that the GCF is the greatest common factor that divides two numbers I should say. To find the GCF of two numbers, we have to list the prime factors of each number and then multiply those factors both numbers have in common. Alright, so this time let's have an example for better understanding. Let's consider that we wish to find for the GCF of 5 and 25. Okay, so for instance, we have or find the GCF of 5 and 25. So we are tasked to find for the greatest common factor of 5 and 25. So going back to the definition, we have to list the prime factors of each number, that is 5 and 25. So if we talk of prime factors, these are the factors that are or that have the number and 1. Meaning to say prime factor or prime number, we have factors, the number and 1. 1 and the number itself. Okay, so we have ways in finding the factors of a number. First is we can find the factors of a number using the factor 3. Or if you wish, if you don't want to use the factor 3, you can think of a number wherein if we get the product of that numbers, the result is the original number. For instance, the factors of 5 are, we have 5 and 1. Wherein if we get the product of 5 and 1, the result is 5. How about factors of 25? Can you think of a number? Very good. So the factors of 25 are, we have 5 times 5 times 1. Wherein if we get the product, 5 times 5 is 25. Times 1 is 25. So now, another rule in getting the GCF, we already list the prime factors of each number, that is 5 and 25. Now, we're going to multiply those factors that are common to both numbers. What do you think are the numbers that are common to the factors 5 and 25? Exactly, that is, we have this one. We have 5 times, we have also this one. We have 1. So that 5 times 1 is
5.
Very good. That is 5. Therefore, 5 is the greatest common factor or the GCF of 5 and 25. Did you get it?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, so if you don't wish to use or think of a numbers that are factors of 5 and 25, as I have said earlier, we can use the prime or the factor 3. How are we going to do that? I will show you on how to get the factors of 5 and 25 using the factor 3. Okay, so let's find the factors of 5 using the factor 3. And so, factor. So we have factors of 5. We have, very good, that is 5 and 1. How about 25? We have 5 times 5. As you can see, factors of 5 are 5, 1 and the number itself. So there's no need for us to find for the factors of 5 in here. Okay, so using the factor 3, we already find or determine the factors of 5 and 25. So we list them down. So we have 5 times 1, 5 times 5 times 1. And by the rule or by the definition of the greatest common factor, we list the numbers common on both numbers. Or we list the factors common to both numbers. We have 5 times 1, and that is equal to 5. Again, we have the same solution. So if you can think of factors of numbers easily, you can do it. But if you wish to use the prime or the factor tree, you can also do it. As long as you follow the definition on how to get the greatest common factor of a particular numbers. Understand? Very good. Now, let's have another example. This time, we want to get the greatest common factor or the GCF of 12 and 36. We write it down. Find the GCF of 12 and 36. Alright, so there, again, we are tasked to find for the greatest common factor of 12 and 36. So again, following the definition of the greatest common factor, we list down the prime factors of the numbers 12 and 36. Okay, so by trying to list down the factors of 12, what are the factors of 12? Very good, that is 2 times 2 times 3. Getting the product, 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12. Again, these are the factors of 12 in its prime factor. Now, how about 36? It's a higher number. Let's try to use the factor 3. For the factors of 36, using the factor 3, let's divide 36 by 2. 36 divided by 2 is very good. That is 18. Now, this is in prime factor form already. Can you think of factors of 18? Yeah, there are factors of 18 also, and that is, we can also again divide this by 2 because 18 is divisible by 2. So, 18 divided by 2 is 9. Very good. Okay, can you think of another or factors of 9? Yes, there are factors of 9. Can we divide 9 by 2? No. How about 3? Very good. We can divide 9 by 3. And 9 divided by 3 is equal also to 3. And take note that 3 is in its prime factor form already. So, there's no need for us to find for the factors of 3. Now, by listing now the factors of 36, we have 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. This time we write it in the form. We have 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Okay, let's find the product. 2 times 2, 4. Very good. Times 3, 12. Another very good. How about by 3? That is 36. Therefore, it is correct that the factors of 36 are 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Now, our rule is we multiply those factors. Both numbers have common in 12 and 36. What are the common numbers? Exactly, we have 2 times. Do we have more? You're right. We have another 2 times. Do we have more? Yes, we have also 3. another common factors on 12 and 36? Exactly, there is no more. So now this time, we find the product of the common factors on both 12 and 36. 2 times 2 is 4. Very good. Times 3 is 12. Therefore, 12 now is our GCF. Can you follow our lesson for today? Very good. Okay, so this time, I want you to answer I want you to find for the GCF of the given numbers 8 and there. I want you to get the factors of 8 or the GCF of 8 and 48. Who wants to try? Okay, very good. Let's see if you have the same answer with my answer. Okay, so let's find for the GCF of 8 and 48. Factors of 8 we have. Can you guess the factors of 8? Very good. We have 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. How about 48? Can you think of factors of 48? Or can you think of the prime factors of 48? We have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Let's check. 2 times 2, 4 times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 3 is 48. Now, again, going back to the definition of the greatest common factor, we list the common factors on both numbers. So we have 2 is 1 times 2 times 2. Do we have more? No more. So 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. Therefore, 8 now is the greatest common factor. Did you get it? Do you have the same answer with my solution, with my answer? Very good. So there you have, again, our greatest common factor, or what we call the GCF. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Jeka, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you very much. Goodbye.